Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get API keys and tokens for Trello. First, go to your Chrome and search Trello API keys. After searching, click on the first link. In here, simply click on this another link. Click on this. Now simply press on new. Here you need to fill up the following blanks. After filling it up, click on create. Now just click on this generate button. And here, as you can see, this is your API key. You can simply copy it. Next, to get your token keys, click on this token link. Simply connect your account. Then here you go. You have your token keys. And that's it.